Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and I have got Birchbox. This is the October box and this is Birchbox UK. If you're new to Birchbox and you want to learn a little bit more about it, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription box which contains 5 beauty treats and costs £12.95 a month, and that includes shipping. Inside you'll find a mix of skincare, hair care, makeup, nail care, body care, anything beauty related. We have a mix of travel size, samples and the occasional full size item as well. When you first sign up to a subscription, you'll be entitled to 10% off the Birchbox shop. If you become a subscriber for 6 months or more, you become a VIP and you're entitled to 15% off anything on the Birchbox shop. Now, the reason the products in this box are smaller than other subscription boxes that you might find, besides the cost being a little bit cheaper as well, but their thinking is to give you a little treat a month so that you can try these products. If you like them, then you can go onto their website to purchase the full size with your discount, either normal discount or VIP discount. What I really like about Birchbox is that they come out with a different packaging. For instance, this month we got a box. It's a pull-out box. We sometimes get drawers, so it's a little box like this with a drawer. We get bags. We get, last month for instance, it was a tin, which is really brilliant for putting biscuits or something in. This is what we've done anyway. I've got a refer a friend code which will entitle you to have your box at a discount, so I can't remember what it is off the top of my head. I can't remember. I think it's £5 off your first box. Can't remember. But anyway, I'll pop it down below in my description, plus links to this subscription, plus any limited edition one-off boxes they have got on their website at the moment. You'll find them down below as well. And of course the Birchbox advent calendar, you'll find that down there. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening up and seeing what I received in the October box. At the start of October, Birchbox bring out an edit on their website. Basically, if you go and click subscribe, it'll bring you to a page and you'll get to see all the products that are going to be inside the box for that month. Now, there could be more than 5 products there, which means you'll receive a random mix of those products. So you might be watching this video thinking, oh, I really like what Claire's got, I'm going to subscribe. But there is a chance that you might have different things to me. Not completely different. I mean, out of 5, we probably all get like 2 or 3 of the same, but there could be a few others that we won't get. So yeah, I forgot to mention that. Oh, look at it all back to front. Oh, I love that nail polish. Wow. Okay. Give you a bit of a sneak peek there, although you couldn't really see much. Inside you've got a little leaflet, and this is crafting beauty. That's the theme for this month, and it says beauty does not have any rules, patterns or standards. It is something that is subjective, changing and unique to you. That's why this month we want you to craft your own beauty routine. Beauty has no limits, so why not try something new? Now is the time to explore. Let's start with the nail polish. That shade is absolutely gorgeous. Can you see there? It's a navy. Oh, that is so nice. This is by Nails Inc. and this is Prince Arthur Road. Put it over my finger there so I can have a look. Yeah, if you put your finger on the bottom, you're not going to be able to see there. Oh, you might do. If you put your finger on the bottom, it shows you what it'll look like on your nail. So what can I tell you about it? So this is full size and it'll cost you £15. Enriched with Nails Inc. very own regenerating complex, this nail polish in a deep blue shade boosts keratin production, leaving you with stronger, healthier and prettier nails. What more could you ask for? And it's an award-winning brand that is cruelty-free and vegan. Yeah, I love that. Although I have gels on my nails, I do really like that. So I'm going to put them on my toes. Next, got a product by What's In It For Me, and this is a rosemary leaf extract to this is a body, sorry, I just started reading the bump about it. It's a body cleanser and we got 50 mils here, and it says rosemary leaf extract to rejuvenate, plus rosemary oil and aloe to soothe, along with lemongrass oil to clean and rebalance the skin. Now, I'm sure I've tried this before. Yeah. Oh, that is so nice. Yeah, I have tried this before. It is absolutely gorgeous. I can smell the lemons. This is deluxe sample size. I'm sure it is. Normally it would tell me if it was full size or not, but the full size version is £3. It goes on to telling you what I read off the front there, but also rosemary leaves can actually help to protect your skin from sun damage and can prevent signs of premature aging. It's got a body cleanser. Next, we've got a product by Algology, and this is a Regard de Vagues. If I've said that right. This is a refreshing eye gel, and we've got 15 mils here. And it says here, apply morning and evening with light touches to the eye contour. I love it when they say refreshing. You're not going to see anything, but I'll feel it. Yeah. Feels really nice and refreshing, quite tingly. This is the second item that's full size and it has a retail value of £21.50. This Multitasking Daily Gel moisturises and refreshes your eyes whilst reducing the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Regularly massage this gel morning or night for visibly brighter skin in no time. So there's that. Next we've got something for your hair. This is by Amica and this is the Cure Multitasking Repair Treatment and there's 30 mils here. This is something new for me. I like this brand. I've tried a few products from this brand before, but not this one. This hair treatment is clinically proven to repair damaged hair in only 60 seconds, leaving it 2.4 times stronger. Packed with Bond Cure technology and vegan proteins, this quick fix restores the condition of hair affected by chemicals and physical stresses. No more bad hair days. This is a sample, but the full size would cost you £23. Yeah, I really like the sound of that. And then lastly, we've got a product by Sunday Riley, and this is Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment, and we've got a little sample here of 5 mils. And it says, clean, purified glycolic acid deeply exfoliates and repairs the look of dull, congested and skin damaged skin for a healthier looking complexion. I do have this, but I have yet to use it. This year I started tretinoin on my skin. It's a subscription by Skin and Me that I pay monthly for it. I've been really careful with applying acids onto my skin. Then I had my eyebrows microbladed as well. It took a long time to heal, but also before I can start putting products around my eyes because I was so nervous of like putting like tretinoin on my eyebrows and then whoosh, the actual pigment is gone. So yeah, I've yet to use it, so I can't tell you anything about it really, but the full size is worth £85. Clean Radiant Skin is here to stay with this glycolic acid treatment, targeting pore clogging impurities and repairing damaged skin. These tiny glycolic acid molecules pack a real punch, leaving your skin looking visibly clearer and illuminated in just one use. So those are all the products inside this month's Birchbox. I had to think then, what box am I unboxing? I'll just go through it all, doing a bit of a recap. We've got a body cleanser by What's In It For Me. We've got a refreshing eye gel by Algology. That didn't sound great. Algology. A gorgeous navy nail polish by Nails Inc. Amica, The Cure hair mask. And lastly, Sunday Riley Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment. So the cost of the box is £12.95 and there's 2 full-size products inside this month's box and they retail for £36 together. So way above the cost of the box. So yeah, it's really nice to see full-size items because we don't always see them. So I do like that. I do like that. Normally full-size items tend to be like face masks or something like that. A few items I've tried before, a few items I've already got. Not a bad box this month. So I'd love to hear what you think though. Have you received your box yet if you are a subscriber, or are you just watching to see if it's a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below, but I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.